What is going on, folks? Jonah Austin. Welcome back to another Jonah Austin fishing video, folks. Today's another cloudy 50-degree weather day. Decent fishing conditions, so that's what we're going to do today. We got LJ with his brother Warner and my brother Andrew. We're going to be hitting a deep lake. We're going to be hitting a small but deep rocky lake about 2 minutes away from here. Went there last night, caught about a 2-pound chunk out of it. Nice fish. But yeah, this is a quick intro. Let's go see what we'll all be throwing. Let's get out there. Alrighty, folks, let's see what we'll be rigging up today. We got on the Lose American Hero. This is LJ's. He's got a spinnerbait on right now, but he will end up changing that in the future. On this, his Lose Mock Smash, he's got a lipless crank on. And on this one, we got nothing. Andrew, what he's got on, another interesting looking lipless crankbait right there. And on my Black Max, we got deep diving sexy shad, 8 to 10 feet, straight king crankbait right there. So we'll be out there soon. So folks, we got everything rigged up. LJ's ready to go, right, LJ?
Yes, sir.
All right, he's filming too. First vid. But yeah, let's get out there, see if we can get anything. Folks, as you can see what I was saying, we got rocky. This place is deep, small lake, massive houses around it. It's got a little bit of mossy bottom, gotta watch out for that, but I can see us catching some fish here today. Alrighty, folks, sexy shad, crankbait. This thing will dive down deep. What? I cannot rock this. Right here?
First cast. Oh yeah, let that baby rip. Hopefully we can get something going. A little mossy. A little mossy. What'd you catch it on? Oh! Oh! Oh, boys! Oh my gosh! He just hit it last minute. Oh my gosh! He just hit it. Jonah just fell. He's a monster. Oh my goodness! Oh, boys!
Yes. Look at this.
That might be 6. That might be 5 or 6, bro. That is a monster. Oh my gosh. First cast. Oh. Let's take it up. Let's bring it up. No, bro, that's a monster.
Here, hold her up big. Oh my.
Look at that.
Holy.
Bro, that is a tank. All right, let's get this thing weighed. Warner, go straight
Stuff,
up.
LJ.
Straight up. Get a good angle.
We got her about 5.2 right here. Folks, this is what he caught it on. First cast.
Walmart?
Yeah. Ozark Trail, Walmart brand. Lipless crank. $2. All right, get her back.
She's gone.
5-pounder right there, LJ. How do you feel? Give me another ski.
A few moments later.
Tanner's on 2. Holy. Here, I'll grab it. There we go. Anders fish, a gray one. Nice fish. All right, get her unhooked. There we go. Anders first bass of 2020. Look how blue, look how gray that thing is. Good stuff. Now it's time for me to get one. Anders using an old lipless crank here, and that's a nice fish. Folks, sorry if the angle is a bit messed up. I've just been too excited to fix the camera. So if I'm not getting these fish all the way, sorry about that. So we switched to sexy shad crankbait, was diving too deep. So we switched to this gill pattern crankbait, lipless crank, that is. Let's get her out there. Smoked. I'm on. I got a nice one. I can get it. Folks, we got a fat chunk right here.
Jonah just hooked in, got the bass.
All right.
Unhooked.
Not a bad fish right there. He just kind of hit it, and he hit it and I missed him, cast it right back out there. He hit again, got him up. Folks, let's get this bad boy released. Finally on the board. Oh, what the heck? Hey, there we go. All right, folks, we are on the board. Still using the bluegill pattern, lipless crank. I'm gonna come down to this dock up here, see if I can get any hits while casting near it, around it. You know, I have a feeling I can catch a big one right here. LJ? Any more fish? I'm on. Woo! Same size as my last. There we go. Well, folks, we got fish number 2. What we were looking for at this dock right here. LJ's fishing it now. Here we go, folks. Another fat fish right here. Another football. Another 2-pounder, maybe. Yeah.
Yeah, probably. Maybe
yeah.
1.5 pounds too. I mean,
a bit small of a mouth,
big
but
belly.
big belly.
Big belly.
Yeah. But want to get this girl released. Let's get the release. Woo! Number 2, baby. Ski. All right, let's get our 3rd. Stuff. Oh. Yeah, this spot right here it's really deep, actually. This is a huge drop-offs. I mean, turn it off. The front button. Hey, buddy. LJ's on. Biggin? LJ's on. Nice fish.
Yeah, you hit it last minute like all the...
Oh, yeah, it's like mine.
So, it's not the 5-pounder.
Here's LJ's fish.
But,
that's another 1.5 pounds too. Not the biggest belly.
it's a fish, you know. Oh, I got him. Sorry. So, there it is.
Nice fish, LJ.
Solid bass. Right there.
Yes, sir.
So, hey, let's get this picture, Warner.
I know.
Wait, hold on. Let me get the underwater release. Alrighty, folks. We are back in business. So, in all, we got 6 fish on the day, biggest being 5.5, and we got quite a bit of 2-pounders. Anders was like 1.5. Let's get some more. We're a long ways down from the others, but we're in business. We got some docks right here. Oh yeah. Here we go. Come down here. We are in business. We are definitely catching a fish here. Yep. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Not a big one. Chill out for me. Well, folks, this fish doesn't want to stay straight, I guess. But, a little chunk. Probably a pound. Super healthy. But
2,000 years later.
Andrew just said something's wrong with his bait and he hooks into his second. Don't do it, not with that rod. Andrew, how's it feel, second one? You said you just wanted one more. You got your one more.
Feels good.
Feels good.
Hit it pretty close to the bank again.
I know. Let's see the fish.
right there, Anders fish right here. Here we can. So folks, quick recap of the video so far. And LJ's got one right now, actually. Yeah, LJ!
LJ got one.
So, got it out of my pants, so there's a win. Now I just have to unhook her here. Alright. Got her. She is unhooked. Smallest one of the day for sure, if you guys can't tell. And not super big, but it's still fish. No, buddy. Third fish on the day. Matched Jonah. We each got 3, so we'll let this fish go.
Give him a slap.
And toss him back.
Nice.
Just flops right down.
Back to it.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, hopefully we can hook up on some more before we have to leave. So we got the GoPro charger right now, so I'm gonna wait a little bit. But anyway, let's get back into it. All right, folks, we are on the road again. Let's go catch some more fish. We're on. Oh, it's a nice fish. Chill out. Oh. Folks, here's another healthy bass right here. That's another. Look what he's got down his throat. You guys see that? I don't know if you can, but there is a bluegill tail. So this guy is feasting right now. We're catching some healthy fish today. Let's get this guy released. Let's get the underwater release. Try and get number 5, is that? Right as I say that, right as, oh no, never mind, same size. Literally right as I say that. Oh my gosh, another one. They're eating this crankbait up, baby. Let's get it. Come here, that's a nice fish. This is a fighter right here. That's a nice fish. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, man. Football. Football. That's a football right there. Folks, this is a football right here. Another healthy fish. Number 6, baby. Let's get it. Oh my gosh, we are going ham right now. They're hitting this. They love this gill pattern crankbait right here. There he goes. Let's go. They are loving this thing. My line's getting real beat up. I wouldn't be surprised if I broke off, but we're not gonna switch. All right, we go meet up with them, see if it's time to go yet. Well, folks, Andrew's got another one there. Nice chunk. He's gonna get him released. El's just trying to get his last, hopefully.
No, I just want one more.
Yeah. I got 6 on the day, and probably done fishing for now, but thanks for looking up for me. Folks, that is going to do it all for today. LJ ends up with the biggest fish on the day.
Yes, sir.
5.5 pounder. Not even that bad. Warner came up short, empty. 0 fish on the day.
Hey,
Me and Andrew got 3. I came up with 6 fish, leader of the day. But all of them were nice, healthy fish. Selection Sunday coming up. Hopefully you guys can tune into some March Madness. Elja's got something to say.
Let's go.
Arkansas.
Hey, you're rooting them on. I know you are.
Yeah. My teams are out.
They are?
No, if my teams are out, then
right.
probably go for our Kansas. But that's going to do it all for today. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next. Go watch some more John Austin videos. LJ, what do you have to say? All right.
What do you want me to say?
All right, see you, folks.